Hello, let me show you how we can find and adjust sound settings on Redmi Note 14 Pro, also vibration settings. So here we have to go into the settings and there we get the sound and vibration. And first of all, we got sounds for notifications, ringtone and alarm. And when you open any of the sound, you can just pre-install ringtones. So basically you can find the list of all ringtones that you have on your device. If you want to switch, just tap and quickly apply. But also for sure you can set custom sounds by going into local files. Like for example, you can pick something from your sound recorder, audio files, whatever. Then we can adjust the volume for media, alarm and the ringtone. Below we can find silent mode and the do not disturb mode. Right here you can find some vibration settings like vibration for calls, vibration and silent mode, touch vibration level, and here you can find some sound effects like Dolby Atmos, Xiaomi sound, sound equalizer with 9 presets. Here we can find headphone remote buttons, so we can control volume or control music playback. And we can also assign buttons if we connect wired headphones. Below we can find additional settings like control notification sounds, adjust media sound and multiple apps, multiple audio sources, and below we can find system sounds like for example tap sound or playing sound when charger is connected. Now please leave a like and subscribe.